Another Jeep Momma how-to. How to adjust your seat. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma, and today I'm going to share with you how to adjust your seat in your Jeep Wrangler, the JKUs, the 4 doors. 4 doors are a little different than the 2 doors, so we're going to start with moving your seat forward and rearward. So you have a bar underneath the front of your seat where your knees are. You just reach down, it's a metal bar, and you take your hand and you lift up, and you got to use your body force, and you can go backwards or you can go forwards. So you can adjust your width between you and the steering wheel. Do not do this while you're driving. Do this before you drive. The other is the recline position. So technically, you're supposed to be having your seatbelt on as the first thing you do. So you can adjust it by using this lever here, right here, and by pulling up, and then you move your seat back or forward. Now, you do not want to go too far back. When the seatbelt is no longer resting against your chest, that means you're too far back and you're not safe. So this lever is recline position. Then your next lever, this one I didn't discover until a few years after being a Jeep owner. I was out on the trails and I couldn't see over my hood and I was kind of freaking out a little, imagine that. And my passenger who was riding with me said, hey, just adjust your seat up. And I'm like, how do you do that? So you take your eject here, that's a sticker by the way, your eject here lever, and you pump it up and it raises your seat up and it puts you a little higher so you can see over your hood. So there you go. Jeep Momma's how to adjust your seat in your 4-door Jeep Wrangler. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Momma, head over to my blog at jeepmomma.com.